Epson's iProjection is a free PC and Mac software that allows users to present content wirelessly to their networked projector. For Windows PC and laptop, please visit Epson.com and navigate to your projector's product page to download these projection utilities. At the product page, select the Support tab to find drivers and downloads under Recommended Links. Expand the Utilities section where you will find Epson iProjection for Windows. Most classrooms will have the BrightLink 685WI installed. You may also have a PowerLight W39 ceiling-mounted projector. To find the software for mobile devices and Chromebooks, please Google search Epson iProjection. This should take you to epson.com/wireless projector app. Scroll down where you will find links for Apple, Google, and Chrome. Here I'll show you real quickly how to download the software from Epson's website. You go to search, type in 685WI, where you'll find the product page. Select one of the links. Scroll down where you'll find support. And then go over to drivers and downloads. Expand utilities and download Epson iProjection version 2.21. For the mobile and Chrome app, simply Google search Epson iProjection. And you'll see that the wireless projector app site will be at the top of the search. Here you can scroll down and you'll see options for the App Store, Google Play, and the Chrome Web Store. Launch Epson iProjection from the desktop icon or from the Windows Start menu. Make sure to use the Advanced Connection option and check the box at the bottom so this will become your default connection mode. You will do a manual search for your projector. You will need to enter your projector's IP address into the projector list manual search. I know my projector's IP is 10.12.9.124. To find your projector's IP info, press the LAN button on the remote. This will bring up the projector's name and IP address. Once entered into the manual search bar, press the search button and the software will locate your projector. Select the projector as well as the moderator button and select Join. You will now be wirelessly presenting to your Epson projector. When the Epson iProjection software launches, you'll see the main toolbar. This toolbar gives you the option to play, present your content, stop the content, pause the content, switch to control screen, or disconnect from the projector. The control screen gives you advanced options for routing up to 4 participants on one screen. This icon allows you to go full screen. You can do a split screen, or you can do a quad view. You'll notice the moderator's name will be shown here, and if students are connected, they'll display in a list here where you can pick and choose which student you want to be displayed and whether or not you want to be for them to be full screen, split screen, or in a quad view. Press this button to return to the main toolbar. Press the Leave button and you'll be disconnected from the projector. In this segment, we'll show you how to use Epson iProjection on a Chromebook or through the Chrome browser. With the Chrome app installed, simply launch the software and enter the IP address. The software will find the projector and you can click the Join button to present wirelessly. This will give you options to project your main screen or any extended displays. It's now connected to the projector and the presentation is being displayed wirelessly. You will have very basic control options using the Chrome browser. You can hide the message here saying that you're displaying, and you can disconnect. You will not be able to pause or stop wireless presentation using Chrome. For a mobile device. Launch the app, where you'll see at the bottom 3 ways of connecting. You can enter the IP address manually, search from your recent history, or use the QR code scanner to scan the image of the QR code on the projector. To access the QR code on the projector, press the LAN input button where it will be displayed. I've connected using the recent history, and you'll see that I'm connected now to the projector. Here you can show photos, documents, web pages, or your camera. You'll also have remote capabilities to control the projector, and multi-projection options to show full screen, split screen, or quad view when multiple users are connected. Press disconnect and you'll be disconnected from the projector.